So becoming an actor requires you to take quite a big risk in life, really, right? Because let's face it, the acting profession can be precarious. It's not guaranteed. And there's many other professions that are much simpler, easier, and more assured. And therefore, the person who wants to become an actor or any kind of artist feel compelled to do it. And they are risk takers. They are people that are willing to put things on the line. And that's good for them to be that way, because in producing their art, they have to take risks too. Now, some people aren't cut out for that, right? And that's understandable. But they desire to do it. They have this aspiration to do it. And so what they do instead is that they create what we call a shadow career. Now, in Los Angeles, for example, there's lots of entertainment lawyers. And the funny thing is that if you speak to them, there's a lot of them that want to either be an actor, a director, a producer, a writer, etc. But instead, they've created a shadow career, which is that they're an entertainment lawyer that's in contact with these people, but hasn't actually taken on the risk of doing it themselves, right? Because being a lawyer in that profession is more steadfast, more secure, more predictable than taking the risk of becoming an artist. So that's just to be aware of, because really, if you have that artist instinct, you'll naturally want to take that risk. And if you're creating a shadow career, then you just need to be aware of it. That, well, the reason that you're going into that career potentially isn't because it's the career you really want to do, but it's the one that seems safe and secure and a bit easier. But of course, the upside to being an artist is that you create work that has a great impact, a profound impact potentially on other people. And the artist needs to do that. It's like a need and a want. It's not just an option. It's like they have to do it. So something to think about: shadow careers and risk-taking actors.